Action News continues to follow the trail of convicted murderer Danelo Cavalcante before he arrived in the U.S. and before his dramatic escape from Chester County Prison. Authorities say his violent past actually began in his native Brazil. And that's where we sent Action News anchor Walter Perez for a closer look.
The Delaware Valley is fully aware of what Cavalcante did in Pennsylvania, but right here in this location in Brazil, Cavalcante is accused of murdering a man over a nominal debt. We spoke with the prosecutor, hoping to bring Cavalcante to justice for that crime. It was 2017 when 20-year-old Walter Marrero dos Reis was murdered in this lot in the town of Figueirópolis, allegedly by Danelo Cavalcante. So we asked the regional district attorney, Rafael Alami, how is it that a man with a warrant for his arrest was easily able to flee Brazil and later commit murder in Pennsylvania? Alami says it was a paperwork issue where the local authorities didn't follow the proper chain of command.
They did not put the warrant in the national system of Brazil, so only the local police involved in the investigation were aware. The federal police were not alerted, and they opened the door for Cavalcante's escape to another location.
Alami adds that his life sentence in the U.S. is much harsher than what he would have faced in Brazil.
If he were to be extradited to Brazil, since we don't have life prison sentences or death penalty, he would serve 40 years maximum, but he would likely be freed in about 13 years with good behavior.
Regardless, even without Cavalcante here, his first hearing is scheduled for October 11th, and he will likely end up tried in absentia. Alami gave us some insight as to why Brazil's legal process is structured the way it is.
O que acontece? O Brasil tem uma forte tradição católica.
Brazil has a strong Catholic tradition, which makes the population by and large merciful. In fact, our penal code's from 1940, a time when Brazil was mostly rural and religious. So there isn't much I can do about it.
And Mr. Alami says in no uncertain terms that if Cavalcante spends the rest of his life in prison in America, he's okay with that. Reporting from Figueirópolis, Brazil, Walter Perez, Channel 6, Action News.